Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block a user on Twitter. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and select a user that you want to block. Click on the three dots icon in the right side of the screen next to their username and click on block. As you can see, this person or user will no longer be able to follow or message you, and you will not see notifications from that person. So click on block. So this account has been blocked. If you want to undo this, tap on the button undo at the top. So now they have been unblocked, so you will see their posts and notifications and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.